Hello everyone, this is Gao. To make this Chinese classic potato dish, we need to choose the right potatoes. Russet potatoes and gold potatoes are similar. Russet potatoes are good for making fries, chips, or baked potatoes. And the gold potatoes are used for other Chinese dishes like spicy chicken with potatoes or beef and potato stew. Red and white potatoes are similar. They have less starch content and taste crispier and good for this dish. Today, I got these big red potatoes. I can make very long potato strips. Slice it first. Then cut like this. Soak them in the water to prevent oxidation. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Normally, it is pectin which gives the crispy taste in vegetables and fruits. Vinegar can help to maintain this crispy taste. The water also washed off the excess starch on the potatoes. Bell peppers are for bringing vibrant colors. Slice them as well. Slice the green onion. Drain the potatoes. Now you can see the potato becomes stiff after soaked in the vinegar water. Low heat, add oil. When oil is not too hot, add shrimp peppercorns and dried chilies. Open the chilies, we need to fry the seeds as well. When you see the chili turn color into darker red, remove them with a strainer. Turn up the heat. Add green onions when the oil is hot. Then potatoes. When half the potatoes become transparent from the white color, add bell peppers. Add rice vinegar towards the end. Add a little bit sugar to balance the sour taste from the vinegar. Briefly stir around. Now you see the potatoes are fully cooked. Turn off the heat. Season with salt. Transfer to a plate. Fix it with the chopsticks. You cannot see the Sichuan peppercorns or chilies, but you can clearly taste them. After frying the chili seeds, the simple hotness from the chili is transferred into a kind of mild hotness with fragrance. There's no excess sauce left on the plate, since the flavor is coated on each single potato strip. Although the potatoes are cut into very thin, they taste very crispy after soaked in the vinegar water. When my kid ate this dish for the first time, he couldn't believe he was eating potatoes. This is Gao, thanks for watching and see you next time.